Miles de besos y caricias que te di se fueron con el viento cuando te perdí. Aún siguen razones por cual puedo discutir, pero no me importa, te quiero junto a mí. Hoy no quiero que me digas que estás confundida. Quiero una respuesta directa del corazón. Ya ha pasado tiempo, yo ya no lo soporto. No.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading out to Power Ambitions out in San Bernardino. If you guys been here for a while, that's where I got my old single cab tune, and that's where we're going to get the Denali clone tuned and cam swapped, and pretty much any performance parts or performance needs in it, the truck is going to get, like maybe later on turbo or something, I don't know. Yeah, sorry for the delay on the cam. Man, I've been waiting for it forever, and then I can't even get it installed. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna be moving forward with that now. I don't want to just make videos of the giveaway truck and doing installs on the giveaway truck. I want to work on my own truck too, so we're gonna start moving forward with this whole cam. Let's if you guys need any type of work done, any type of performance needs, there's a lot of shops around here in the area. I'm not saying he's the best or he's the only performance shop out here. Everybody does a great job, but this is my boy, so I'm gonna go and support my boy. So let's go, guys. Heading to Power Ambitions. Let's go. In the daily Totoya. My boy has a whole studio in there. Holy shit. About to go do interviews in there. Who's down, huh? That's a smart move, though. Alright, guys, I'm here at PS Studio checking out their 8x8 portable recording studio. This is one of 3 studio sizes they have. They have a 4x4 vocal booth. They have an 8x8 isolation booth and an 8x12 XL isolation booth. So this would be good for many different occasions. If you're a rapper, upcoming rapper, YouTuber, you do interviews, you do any type of musical instruments, you record anything. As you guys heard, all the sound from outside is gone. All you hear right now is my focused voice in here. So you'd be able to record good. If you guys want to check out any of these booths, please hit up my boys over at _PS_studios. I'll leave their Instagram right here as well, and also in the description of the video. So yeah, go check them out. Tell them Big Ol' Chubbs or Chubbs sent you, and they'll get you guys going. Don't sleep on this, guys. Portable studio. Alright, so you saw something of both. My boy over here at PS Studio and the other homies over here at Power Ambitions. 2 separate companies, both doing different things. If you guys need a studio, hit them up. If you guys need some performance or dyno tuning or any type of work done to your vehicle, hit up Power Ambitions. So yeah, we're gonna get going with the cam and torque converter, ECU, and everything for the Denali. We're gonna be chopping, so hopefully in the next, I want to say a month. So all right, guys, let's get going. Next spot, we're gonna be going to Reyes Specialties. He has something new for us to look at, for us to record, and maybe that'll be going on the line too. So let's go, guys. All right, we're here at Reyes Specialties with the homie Intimidator and his badass truck. Reyes just wants to Reyes and Intimidator just want to show a few the new feature on these type of windows that he could do. So let's go check it out.
Go ahead, man. Hazardous representing.
All right, so it looks just like a normal Reyes Specialties badass kind of window. But then, what's the feature?
Huh?
What'd you do extra to it?
We got we're doing with the remote, the actual remote going up and down, which has never been done before. We're the first ones.
All right, the first ones to ever make these kind of windows remote control. All right, so as you guys can see, there's nobody in the vehicle at all. No enanito or nothing. There's a tiny window. Click it. There you have it, guys. Look at that. With the press of a button. Hell yeah, that's fucking sick. Badass truck too. Hit it again. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Set. Action. Fucking sick, dude. Oh, she could control half.
Yeah, there you go.
Anywhere he wants it. Yeah, leave it anywhere.
I thought it was just like up and down.
No.
Oh shit.
And we can do that function too.
Fuck.
We could do that function too. Where
Go
you just press it once.
fully auto or semi?
Yeah.
All right, right now press it down again. I want to get the steering wheel. Wait, go all the way down real quick. Okay, now go all the way up. All right, just go straight down. Wait, I see you.
Oh.
Homage got the vibe.
All right, guys, so we're all done filming here at Reyes. So he's doing so that freaking Titan window he did was freaking badass, and now I think he's gonna start offering it as soon as once he gets this video that I made for him. So yeah, pretty much Titan window with a remote control button, so you don't have to be inside the vehicle at all, and the vehicle does not have to be on either. So it's gonna be connected to the battery and everything, so you're good. It's good like that to go open and close. So another thing he also let me know was that he's gonna be doing a raffle pretty soon of, he calls it the works. So it's gonna be pretty much everything, not everything he offers, but a whole bundle. It's gonna be a sunroof, Titan window, starlight, and he said another few things that go into the raffle. So stay tuned for that. Go to his Instagram to keep up with when he's gonna be doing that raffle, so you could get some entries in on that, because I know I am. Because if I win that, the Denali's gonna go full freaking Titan window, double sunroof, starlight, and everything I already want to get pretty much. But if we could win that like that with a few tickets, hell yeah, I'm down. Instead of paying like what, the $3,000 or something for all that. But let's talk about the main reason we came. We came for another Reyes Specialties sponsorship for our giveaway truck. So I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing with the giveaway truck, because it already has a double sunroof. So there's just something I want to add to that truck that's gonna make it look pretty badass, and I know a lot of people would like this as well. Just to let you know, it's not a Titan window. Or is it? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, some Reyes Specialty action coming pretty soon to, not pretty soon, but to this giveaway truck. He said he's super booked, so most likely sometime in March or May, in between those 2 months. So Reyes puts in quality work and everything, so I understand that he's very busy. So yeah, guys, but that should be it for this video. Don't forget about PS Studios. If you guys need a studio like that, hit them up. Tom Chubb sent you. And also don't forget about hitting up Power Ambitions. Also quality work right there, performance parts, dyno tuning, and everything. So you're gonna see more of these guys on the channel. And then last but not least, my boy Reyes, hit him up. You guys need a sunroof, double sunroof, Titan window, starlights, electric window conversion, like how you guys seen for the last giveaway truck, and many more stuff. He does. He's like freaking custom doing stuff right here. He's into lowriders too. So if you guys have a lowrider, hit him up. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for all the stuff that's coming, guys. We got a lot of cool badass stuff coming. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, everybody. Don't forget to get your entries for the giveaway truck, and good luck to you guys. Peace out. TCB, guys.